Hi students, good morning. Now the continuation part, previous JEE questions. We have discussed yesterday few questions. Today I am going to discussing previous JEE questions, and that question number everybody should copy this because very important these questions. Integration x power 5 e power minus x square dx equal to g of x into e power minus x square plus c, where c is the constant, then g of minus 1 equal, first option minus 1, second option 1, third option minus 1 by 2, fourth option minus 5 by 2. Okay, let me solve. Think yourself, are you getting any idea? X power 5 into e power minus x square dx. Let x square equal to t, then 2x x dx equal to dt by 2. Integration, this we can write x cube into x square. So x cube, let it be x cube, and e power minus x square, e power minus t, and x square dx, okay, x square dx, here x square dx equal to dt by 2, Now here x cube minus we can write here x cube into e power minus t dt. Now x is the variable in terms of x, this is we have converted in terms of t. Now convert into in terms of t. How can convert? Integration x cube, x square equal t, then x cube equal to, here we can write x cube into x square dx equal to dt. Oh sorry, we have done wrong here. See, this is x cube into, x power 4 into x, this is x power 4 into x dx equal to dt by 2, x dx equal to dt by 2. Understood? X power 4 x dx equal to dt by 2 e power minus t, x square equal minus t into dt by 2. 1 by 2 x square equal t, x power 4 equal t square into e power minus t dt. This is by parts, you can use shortcut here. T square integration 2t, t square differentiation 2t differentiation 2. E power minus integration e power minus t, this integration minus e power minus t, plus minus plus 1 by 2, okay, t square, and here minus t square, minus 2t minus 2 into e power minus t. E power minus t is the common. 1 by 2 t is equal to x squared minus x power 4 minus 2x squared minus 2 into e power minus x squared plus c. What is, you compare with this, the g of x is this is g of x equal to 1 by 2 minus x power 4 minus 2x squared minus 2. But our question is g of minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 whole power minus 1, minus 2. Tell me minus 5 by 2. This is the correct. Understood? So the JEE question, while solving JEE question with cool mind you solve. Don't take hurry up, no need to think about the time factor. Your time is not important while solving JEE problem. Only the important is concept. Think how to solve and take your own time and solve perfectly. So that is the way of pattern of JEE and CE, the lot of difference. Okay, while doing the CET you consider time factor, while doing the JEE don't consider the time factor. Okay, next question is integration of, these all are 2019 questions. integration of 2x cube minus 1 by x power 4 plus x dx equal to options here 1 by 2 log of x cube plus 1 by x square. Second one half into log of x cube plus 1 whole square by x cube. Third option log of mod of x cube plus 1 by x. Fourth option log of base e x cube plus 1 by x square plus c. Okay, right. Integration 2x cube minus 1 by x power 4 plus x. This is easy, you can solve it here. Okay, x take common here. See, integration of 2x cube, here x take common, x power 4 take common here, then you will get here a 1 plus 1 by x cube, 1 by x cube. Next one, see here 2x cube is there, or you can take x square common here, better here x square take common here, you will get here x square plus 1 by x 1 by x square, x square here 1 by x, 1 by x, x square into x square x power 4 plus x means here x square is there. Okay, x square means x cube here will get, no, here x, to get x here x 1 by x, no, let it be here x power 4 plus x, only leave it, x power 4 take common here, 1 plus 1 by x cube. Yes, 1 by x cube differentiation is 3 by x square, but here x cube is there, here x take common here, then you will get 2x square minus 1 by x, 2x square minus 1, or x square take common here, 2x minus 1 by x square, x square and x cube minus 1 by x square. Here x square take common here, x square plus 1 by x, correct? It's a get cancel, it's a get cancel. Okay, getting any factors here, x, if you take common x cube plus 1, a cube plus b cube, degrees, yeah, direct you can do partial fraction method here. Here I am thinking to get shortcut, but not getting to the form of a square plus b square, then use direct partial fraction. 2x cube minus 1 by x into x cube plus 1 dx, this is, and this is a cube plus b cube form. So x into this is equal to x square a plus b, x plus 1 into x square plus minus x plus 1, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. These are the partial fraction. Tell me a by x plus b by x plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square minus x plus 1. This is the method. Okay, then you can solve here a by x, a how to find, put x is equal to 0, then you will get a, put x equal minus 1, b will get, after getting b and equating the coefficient of cx plus d. This is the method. Okay, so it's take time little bit, 2 minutes, then you solve it yourself. Okay, or, and one more method is options, you apply differentiation, options you can apply differentiation, you will get the answer. Okay, so this is, okay, this is one method. Okay, now I am going to shortcut method. I am discussing, this is a long procedure. The shortcut is integration of x square take common here, 2x square 2x minus 1 by x square, correct? Here x square take common here, x square plus 1 by x, this get cancelled. This derivative is here, yes, very easy, we have done late here. This derivative is here, see, x square derivative is 2x plus 1 by x differentiation is here, minus 1 by x square. So the answer is log of x square plus 1 by x. So the answer is log of, tell me, x cube plus 1 by x. Log of x cube plus 1 by x. This is the shortcut. Okay. So what is the long procedure is? Just now I have discussed partial fraction a by x plus b by cx plus d. It's take time. Okay. Just by thinking you will get the idea. When I take in common x square, I got the idea. X square differentiation is 2x and 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. Okay. Here what I am solving, the same thing you will face in exam. Okay. How we will face the exam, that I am discussing here. First, student can approach partial fraction. It's take time. Then you think it. If not able to getting, is there any other idea? Take common highest power. Check it. Yes, this differentiation is here. Then answer is this one. Okay. You can check it in all corners. So in which corner the answer will get, that you can select it. Next question is integration of tan x plus tan alpha by tan x minus tan alpha, tan x minus tan alpha dx equal to a of x cos 2x plus b of x into sin 2 alpha, sin 2 alpha plus c. Then what is a and what is b? What is a of x and what is b of x? A of x and b of x we have to find. Yes. Okay, I am not going options, direct I can solve it. Just let's find after comparing with this, a and b will get it. Just to make it in the form of here, sin by cos. This is sin alpha by cos alpha. Then what is the constant? Cos x into cos alpha. We'll get here sin x into cos alpha plus sin alpha into cos x. Here denominator cos x into cos alpha. You will get here sin x into cos alpha minus cos x into sin x dx. Yes, this get cancelled. Sin of a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin of a plus b, x plus alpha, sin of a minus b, sin of x minus alpha dx. Let x minus alpha equal to t, then dx equal to dt. Substitute here, integration of sin of x is equal to t plus alpha. X is equal to t plus alpha means 2 alpha. Alpha plus alpha 2 alpha by sin t and dx equal to dt. Finish. The question is, we got it, sin of a plus b sin t into cos 2 alpha plus cos t into sin 2 alpha divided by sin t dt. Integration, sin t get cancelled, cos 2 alpha plus this is cot theta into sin 2 alpha d theta. Cos 2 alpha integration is t into cos 2 alpha. Yes, plus cot theta integration log of sin t into sin 2 alpha. Then equating with this, sin 2 alpha coefficient is b of x. B of x is equal log of sin of t. T is x minus alpha. This is the answer. Log of sin of x minus alpha for b of x. Next, a cos 2x here. A cos 2x here. 2 alpha it is. Sorry, 2 alpha. Then what is the a? T. T is equal to x minus alpha. This is the a of x. So which is equal to a of x means t. T is equal to how much? X minus alpha. This is the answer. Okay. A of x equal to x minus alpha. B of x equal to log of sin of x minus alpha. Next one, integration of x into root of 2 into sine of x square minus 1 minus sine of 2 into x square minus 1 divided by 2 into sine of x square minus 1 plus sine of 2 into x square minus 1. Yes, so this is options is given here. 1 by 2 log of, you want option, is take time, so I am going to explain direct. This is dx. Let x square minus 1 equal to t, then 2x and dx equal to dt, 2x and dx equal to dt, right? Here x dx equal to dt by 2, okay? Root of 2 is not common, 2 sine t, x square minus 1 equal t, minus sine 2t by 2 sine t plus sine 2t, dt by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 integration of 2, this is we can write 2 sine t into cos t, then 2 sine t take common, 1 minus cos t. Here 2 sin t cos t, 2 sin t take common, 1 plus cos t. Finish the question, getting answer here. 1 by 2, 1 minus cos t equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. This is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 get cancelled, tan square theta by 2, tan t by 2 and dt. 1 by 2 log of sec t by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. Get cancelled. So log of sec t is equal to x square minus 1, x square minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Log of secant x square minus 1 by 2. So this is C option is right. It was asked at JEE Main online 2019 January shift. You can see the CET questions and the JEE questions, you come to know that what is the range. So the JEE question, the way of asking and the solving method, okay, it's a different. Next question is integration of 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 by x square plus 1 plus 2x power 7 whole square dx, and f of 0 equal to 0. Then what is the value of f of 1? F of 1. What is the value of f of 1? Right? So this type of questions we have already solved. See, it is repeated model. What to do this? This x power 7 we have to take common from denominator. When you take x power 7 common here, x square by x power 7 is 1 by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 7 plus 2 whole square here. Here comes square whole square, 14 comes here. 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 dx. Right? This is 1 by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 7 plus 2 whole square, take up whole power minus 2. This divide here, 5 into x power 8 by x power 14, x power 8 by 6, x power 6 plus 7 into x power 6 by x power 14, x power 8, right, into dx. Let me verify this differentiation is there or not here. 1 by x power 5 derivative is minus 5 x power 6. Note minus 5 here. Minus 7 x power 8. No minus. Then multiply by minus here. Constant derivative 0. Here minus. Then f of x whole power n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power 1 by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 7 plus 2 whole power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Finish the answer. Minus 1 by 1 by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 7 plus 2 plus c. This is the f of x. Here f of 0 is given. Then what is f of 1 value? So f of 0, this is f of x. F of 0 0 means put x is equal to 0 here. It comes up. Then c value, how much will get it? 2 minus 1 by 2 will get c value. And put x is equal to 1. We'll get the answer. Understood? F of 0 is equal to 0. Since f of 0 equal to 0, all terms will be cancelled. 0 will get c. Then the answer is, it comes up. It comes up means numerator is 0. Numerator is 0 means the whole is something finite here. We'll get the 0. C is equal to 0. Then f of x is equal to, it comes up minus 1 by x power 7 and x power 7. What is the LCM here? 1 by, no, leave it. They ask for only f of 1. Put x is equal to 1 here. So minus 1 by 1 plus 2. So answer is 4. Minus 1 by 4. This is option A here. Minus 1 by 2. Option B is minus 1 by 4. This option is right. Minutes. Next one is this, all combinations are there, indefinite, definite, all combination. Yes, this question is repeated again in 2019 JEE Main. X power 5 e power minus 4x cube dx equal to 1 by 48 and e power minus 4x cube into f of x plus c. This type of model just now we have discussed what is f of x. So what is f of x here? Option here, f of x equal minus 4x cube minus 1, b 4x cube plus 1, c minus 2x cube minus 1, d minus 2x cube plus 1. Okay, f of x we should find here. This is, tell me this here, previous, just today only we have discussed, here x square was there, now here x cube is there, so let x cube equal to t. Same model, just question numerical, the value they have changed it, model is same. X cube equal t means 3x square dx equal to dt, right? X power 5 we can write x cube into x squared e power minus 4x cube and dx. X cube equal to t, x square dx equal to dt by 3 and e power minus 40, x cube equal t. So 1 by 3 integration t into e power minus 40 dt. Set shortcut here, t differentiation is 1, e power minus 40 integration minus 4 e power minus 40, okay, and integration is 4 square into e power minus 40. Multiply this, 1 by 3, what is the common here? E power minus 40 common, so minus, see here plus and minus, minus 40 minus here minus, already here plus is there, so plus minus 4 square is 16 into e power minus 40. We got the answer here. 1 by 3 minus 4 t is equal to x cube minus 16 e power minus 4x cube, equating with this. What is e power minus 4x cube here? F of x is this, f of x by 48, f of x by 48 equal to, coefficient of e power minus 4x cube is f of x by 48 equal to 1 by 3 minus 4x cube minus 60. Okay, now the question is f of x, take that side, 48 by 3, how much? 16. Okay, minus 4x cube minus 16. Check the option here, minus 4x cube, 4 square 16, 4 take common here, 4 take common here, 48, f of x by 48, f of x by 48, 1 by 3 we have left it here, 1 by 3 is minus 4x cube minus 16x cube. Yes, what is the common in this? 4x cube minus 16, multiply by this 48. So when you multiply by 48 here, How much we'll get here? 48 by 3. How much 48 by 3? 16 minus 4x cube. So this is f of x plus c also there, minus 4x cube minus 16. Minus 4x cube minus 16. We done mistake here. I think here derivative we have done, integration this is e power minus 40, integration is minus 4. This integration e power 16. That's why mistake here. So we will get it minus 48 here, 16 here, minus 4x cube here, minus 4x cube here, 1 will get 2x cube here, minus 4x cube. This you can observe here, minus 1 by 3, minus 40, no, minus 40, minus 1 by 4t, correct? Right. And next minus 1 by 16. Yes, correct now. So minus 1 by 40, here 1 by 16 take common here, 48. Here we will get 4 minus 40 minus 1 e power minus 40, correct. Finish. Equating with this f of x, this is the value 48 coefficient. What is the f of x is minus 40 minus 1, minus 40 minus 1. T means x cube, minus 4x cube minus 1. This is first option is right. Next one is integration of root of 1 minus x square by x power 4 dx equal to a of x root of 1 minus x square whole power m plus c. For a suitable chosen integer m and function a of x, okay, c is the constant of the integration, then what is a of x whole power m? A of x whole power m. Okay, so to get a of x whole power forms, first we have to solve this. Okay, right. Our answer is a 1 by 9x power 4, b minus 1 by 3x cube, c minus 1 by 27x power 9, d 1 by 27x power 6. This is integration. X square take out, 1 minus 1 by x square by x power 4 here, dx. Here root x square means x by x power 4 is 1 by x, root of 1 minus 1 by x square dx. This derivative is here, one derivative is 0, minus 1 by x square derivative is minus 2 by x cube, 2 by x cube, not there, sorry, x by x power 4 x cube only, sorry. Right, this derivative is there, minus not there, so we have to multiply by minus 1 by 2, here minus 2. So tell me minus 1 by 2 f of x whole power n into f dash x dx, f of x whole power n plus 1, 1 minus 1 by x square whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. These two get cancelled, now equating with the answer. So minus 1 by 3, okay, this is root of 1 minus x square whole power 3 plus c, minus 1 by 3 root of 1 minus x square whole power 3. Understood? Got a point? Root of, so 1 by 3 x cube here. Yes, a of x equal to. Now you see x square, root of x square take common here, 1 minus 1 by x square, root of x square means x by x power 4 is x cube. This derivative, root of f of x whole power 1 by 2 here, one derivative is 0, minus 1 by x square derivative is minus 2 by x cube. So minus 2 not there, multiply by minus 2. Then f of x whole power n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Then 1 by 2 get cancelled, minus 1 minus x square minus 1 by 3 root of 1 minus x square whole power 3 plus c, equating with this m we got. What is m value? 3.